Hello everyone, sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I've just been not that great really, but I'm back. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video. This is a Nextbase camera. It's the 412GW. I actually have this camera in my Fiesta, and I've had that one for 3 years. I've had that camera for 3 years, and this is the same camera I got in the Fiesta. And I did get a camera for my van for Christmas, and it sadly stopped working. And the other week I had an incident where someone hit my van and drove off. And sadly, my camera I got for Christmas, it didn't catch anything. So I bought myself this because I got the exact same camera in my Fiesta and it's never let me down. So so I got this. So let's open it up here. It has a little letter saying thank you for buying the camera, quick start guide, and it's got GPS on it and everything like that. I can't get it out of the box. There we go. There's the camera in there. If I can get it out here. There we go. There's the camera. Let's get that out. Here's the camera. It's really good. It also comes with your power cable. It's quite long as well. And you got your sticky mount. And your suction mount here. And this suction mount has got the GPS thing on it. And that can be put over onto the sticky one. And then also you got your USB cable for the computer and a sticker saying that you got a I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, that's a sticker to show everyone you got a camera on board. But it's pretty good. It's a pretty good camera because the one I've got in my Fiesta, which is exactly the same camera, has been really good. The only thing it doesn't come with is an SD card. I don't think, no SD card. It doesn't come with an SD card. But I actually bought myself a SD card as well. So to go in the camera. That's the latest gadget I've bought for my van, and it actually takes up to, it says on here somewhere, 128 gigabyte card. So and I just bought myself a 32 gig card, so to go in the camera. So that's about it really. That's it for now guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that good stuff. This has been Little Man in a Little Van, and I'll see you guys next time.